Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Incorporating indoor plants into your wall decor is a fantastic way to bring life and freshness into your living space. One of the best ideas is to use vertical garden system, which allow you to display multiple plants in a compact area while creating a stunning visual effect. These systems can be easily customized with various plant types, from lush ferns to colorful succulents, adding both texture and depth to your walls. Another popular option is to use wall-mounted planters or shelves. These can be arranged in creative patterns to showcase a variety of plants, enhancing your wall while maximizing space. Choose unique planters in different materials such as ceramic, wood, or metal to add character to your decor. From a minimalist look, consider hanging a single trailing plant in a sleek pot, allowing it to cascade down for an elegant touch. Micro plant hangers are also trending, providing a chic vibe while suspending plants at varying heights. These adds visual interest and draws the upwards, making your space feel larger. If you prefer a do-it-yourself approach, consider creating a living art piece with a frame filled with moss or air plants, offering a unique and low maintenance option. Thanks for watching. Watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.